everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's begin with the topic calculus. Calculus has two parts, differential calculus and integral calculus. First, we shall learn about differentiation, which is the part of differential calculus. So, we have an equation y is equal to fx. Here, y is a function of x. If we take an example, let's say this is set A and this is set B. Set A consists of three elements 1, 2 and 3, and it is values of x. The B set consists of other three elements 1, 4 and 9, and these are y values. So as we can see, x is independent and y is dependent. Delta x is known as change in x and delta y is known as change in y. Here delta x and delta y are considered very small changes, almost to negligible. Now we shall find dy by dx by definition or first principle. Let's say x tends to x plus delta x and y tends to y plus delta y. As I've already mentioned, delta x and delta y are some very small changes, and tends to means that x is closer to x plus delta y and y is closer to y plus delta y. Y is equal to fx, and let's take another equation, y plus delta y is equal to fx plus delta x. Basically we replaced x and y here with y plus delta y and x plus delta x. Now let's say this is first equation and this is the second equation. Now subtract first from the second equation and we get delta y is equal to fx plus delta x minus f of x. Consider dividing by delta x on both sides. We get delta y by delta x is equal to fx plus delta x minus f of x whole upon delta x. Now we shall take limits on both sides. By doing so we get limit delta y by delta x where delta x tends to 0. This is written as the limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x whole divided by delta x. Some important points you should know are dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, and dy by dx is also equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus f of x whole upon delta x. These are the 2 points you should remember. Now let's see what is dy by dx. dy by dx is said as the differentiation of y with respect to x, or simply differential coefficient of y with respect to x, or the derivative of y with respect to x. So whenever you see these three terms, it means dy by dx. Hope you liked today's session. If you like it, please do consider subscribing my channel, and also don't forget to hit that like button. Share with your friends. Thank you.